Good morning mga bude. So, naatay Thai dessert karon. Okay, gikan ni kay Kunme. And the name of this in Thai is khao tom mat. In English, I don't know, but for me, it's like suman, Thai suman, but inside there is like banana. So it's sticky rice with banana. Okay, I'm gonna open it. So one pair has two. Dalawa siya. Okay, ganyan. I'll put it this way para makita natin. Yan. It's wrapped by banana leaves. Okay. Charan! Okay. Yan. Yan siya. Okay, we're gonna. So it's sticky rice with banana inside. That's banana. Okay. And there is also black beans. Mm. Hmm. Parang siyang suman. Matamis. And it's good for black coffee. Mm. Yan, oh, there's banana inside. Ay, yan. Malagkit. Very malagkit. Mm. Black coffee. Hmm. I remember being a kid. Have a nice day.